Hi guys, I'm Martin from Make It, and for today I would like to show you one easy quick tip with Microsoft Onenote. Sometimes you need to write something to your page in OneNote and you are not able to do that. Maybe you're injured or you're lazy or something like that. But there is a really good option how to do it. Let me show you. On home card, you must click on dictate button, and after clicking it will start to listen in me. So let's try it. Clicked, and now when I will speak it will write my text down, full stop. And now we can continue with another sentence, full stop. So you must use some special words to end the sentences or another things, but I think that this is really good because I am only sitting and talking, and Microsoft OneNote is doing the work for me. And that's all for today. Have a nice day, guys, and don't forget to subscribe me. Bye bye.